DAYSPA video channel is in here with Dr. Murad himself and Jennifer, who also works at the Inclusive Health Spa, and Dr. Murad is going to tell us about how his spa takes a different approach based on inclusive health and the different components to that.
Basically, inclusive health is looking at the whole person instead of focusing on their specific problem. The only thing that happens to us when we have wrinkles, disease, and aging, regardless of the cause, is that we have less water in our cells. And attracting water in our cells, what we call the science of cellular water, is very important. Obviously, it's not as simple as drinking water. So if somebody comes to me and says, you know what, I'm not happy with my skin, I have fine lines and wrinkles. The first thing I say to them is, before we actually ever treat you for anything, I want to evaluate you. I want to measure the amount of water within your cells, I want to look at your stress level, and I want to look at how your skin actually looks now. We want to address those. How do we address that? Number one, the first pillar of inclusive health is taking care of your skin, making sure you put products on your skin that contain antioxidants, anti-inflammatories, structural lipids that make the barrier of your skin as healthy as possible. Number two, we do an evaluation of every cell in your body. And if your cellular water is less than it should be for your age and gender, we're going to put you on a nutritional program. We're going to tell you to eat more raw fruits and vegetables because they have structured water, which is better than tap water or bottled water. We're going to tell you to eat whole grains that help build collagen and elastin, along with embryonic foods, eggs, beans, and seeds that are going to help you build the collagen and elastin. We're going to tell you to also eat more foods that have the omegas in them. Cold water fish, almonds, walnuts, olive oil, flax seeds, forms of GLA. And then we're going to look at your stress level. We're going to ask you who's the most important person in the world. And if you say it's anybody but you, we're going to say that's wrong. You should at least take care of yourself as well as you would that next person. Begin to splurge on yourself. If you enjoy reading, reduce isolation and join a book club. If you enjoy travel, take classes in travel and maybe join a group and go on a travel and try to save some money up in time to do that. Do things that really are going to make a difference in you. And what you'll see then is a big difference. When people come to me and say, I want a facelift, I say, you know what? Before you do, just give me about 5 weeks. Because if we do a facelift, all we're going to do is lift your face and pull it. You're going to have the same skin you had before, but it'll be thinner because it's been stretched. If, on the other hand, I'm going to make your whole skin as healthy as possible, then when you do have that facelift, your face will be tighter, your skin will be firmer, you'll heal faster, and the result will be a lot better. So the idea of inclusive health is making the whole body as healthy. Every single cell in your body will be healthier. Then when that happens, you have the best environment to take care of yourself. Whatever your problem is, it'll respond better to the treatment if you are inclusively healthy.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Dr. Murad. Thank you, Jennifer.